This tiny device is the world's smallest FrSky compatible radio transmitter. It is especially good for controlling micro-sized drones like tiny whoops, toothpick quads, and so on. But wait, before we move further, you need to know the very unique features of this device. Flight control with this transmitter requires only one hand, no matter left or right, and is so easy that even a beginner can fly like a pro with great success. Despite the compact size, it incorporates all basic features that you expect from the transmitter. I mean binding, calibration, safety protections, status indication, battery with built-in charger. The architecture is completely open and actually suitable for DIY. Radio transmitter is built around a tiny PCB board of my own design. This board contains Arduino-compatible microcontroller, gyro and accelerometer module, button, couple of status LEDs, power and charging circuits. There are solder pads for external components, like standard 2.4 GHz radio module with chip antenna, rechargeable battery, on-off toggle switch, and micro USB connector for charging. The body of transmitter is made from 3D printed parts, case, cover, and slider with magnet as a throttle stick. Okay, let me show you how my radio transmitter works both in FPV simulator and in real life. You may know that you can connect a transmitter to your PC through a Betaflight controller. If not, here's the how-to article.